Welcome back to Sai SS Academy. This is me Ashwini Nair. Today we are going to discuss about the second part of the chapter 5 Political Science Class 6 Panchayati Raj. Here we have to discuss about the role of the Gram Sabha. In a Gram Sabha, various social issues are discussed in groups. The issues like the water problems, construction issues, transportation problems, benefits to BPL, etc. Here we are going to discuss about the two problems which are there in our textbook. Here we are going to discuss the first problem, water problem. Okay, if a village is facing with a water problem or the scarcity of water, what will they do? Yes, they will talk about the alternate ways to develop or what are the ways to resolve that problem, isn't it? These problems are discussed among the members or Panch and the peoples. Okay, so one will say about the construction of the hand pumps. One will say like that, the construction of the hand pumps. Other will say, okay, it is better to build or construct the tube wells. And others will say, if it is a rainwater harvesting, the continuous rain is there, or the rain that they can collect the water like that, it is better to make the rainwater harvesting there. Somebody will discuss like that. And some people will say that the check dams and tanks. Others will say for constructing the wells. Like this, many people are there, no? Members and a group of peoples will be there. They discussed about many things. Okay, so what will the Panchayat will do? Okay, after hearing the various ideas for discussing to solve the issues, what will the Gram Panchayat do? It will select the best idea and work around it. Okay, it will select the best idea from this that discussion and the Panchayat will work on it. Understood? And like that, second problem I am going to discuss about the benefits of the BPL. BPL means below poverty line people are there, isn't it? Here controversial issues are there. That means the controversial issues are there when what the real thing is that whatever benefits the government is giving to them, it is not getting to them. Okay, these benefits are not getting to them or not circulated to people, those who need. So what did the Panchayat will do? The Panchayat will track out the misuse of the money that going into the system, and it again checks out the undue favor that going into a special or separate group of people. Okay, children, next we are going to discuss about the work of the Gram Panchayat. Okay, what are the works of the Gram Panchayat? What kind of works come under the Gram Panchayat? The construction and maintenance of water sources, roads, drainage, school buildings and common property resources, the village. Okay, the common property resources of village all comes under this work of this Gram Panchayat. Okay, and the other thing is that they levy various taxes and various schemes are executed by them. We discussed that the construction of the roads, drainages, school buildings, all these works come under the Gram Panchayat, isn't it? So, where did the Gram Panchayat get the fund for all these works? Yes, where that means the funds from the collection of local taxes. Okay, the funds from the collection of the local taxes and from donations from various communities, the Panchayat will get money. And more than that, the Panchayat is collecting the taxes of the houses and the marketplaces, etc. Isn't it? And other the various form of the government schemes are there. Various government schemes, funds received through various departments of government. That means the Janpad and the Sila Panchayat, there are various schemes of the government. From that schemes also, the Gram Panchayat has getting the money. Okay, for doing all these works. Got it? Next, have a look on the three levels of the Panchayat or the three-tier system of the Panchayat. Sila Parishad or district level, Block Panchayat or Panchayat Samiti, Gram Panchayat or the village level. Okay, the last, the Gram Sabha, this is not the system. Here we are going to discuss from this to above. Gram Sabha or the Ward Sabha. Gram Sabha is the key factor. We know that the Gram Sabha is the key factor in making the Gram Panchayat, isn't it? The Gram Sabha is the key factor in making the Gram Panchayat. It is the place where all the plans for the work of the Gram Panchayat are placed before the people. Isn't it? All the works, whatever things that the Gram Panchayat have to do, that all the works of the Gram Panchayat are placed before the people. First, so the Gram Panchayat, this Gram Panchayat looks after the village level responsibilities. Gram Panchayat look after the responsibilities of the village level. Okay, village level. Then comes the block Panchayat or the Panchayat Samiti. the block panchayat or the panchayat samadi. Here there is a block development officer who looks after a group of the villages. Under the block panchayat or the panchayat samadi, there is a block officer. He looks after a group of villages. Understood? So look, here is a region. If this region is consist of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 villages are there in this region. Suppose it is like that. So all these 10 villages are looked after by the block development officer, and this block development officer is the head of the block panchayat. Okay. So all this gram panchayat or the village level is under the block panchayat, and the block panchayat is the officer of the block panchayat is the block development officer. Good day. That means all the gram panchayat are answerable to the panchayat samadi or the block panchayat. Good day. Next, finally, the last one is the Sila Parishad or the district level. Okay, the Sila Parishad or the district level, which looks after the various blocks. So these blocks are under this Sila Parishad or the district level, and all the block offices are answerable to the this Sila Parishad. So here all the panchayat presidents are answerable to the block development officer, and all block development offices are answerable to this Sila Parishad or the district level. Understood? This Sila Parishad makes development plans with the help of the panchayat samadhis or the block level. Okay, block level, and that regulates this Sila Parishad regulates money distribution among the gram panchayat. Understood, children? Okay, once more I will say that the Sila Parishad makes development plans with the help of this Panchayat Samadhi, and this Panchayat Samadhi regulates the money distribution among all the Gram Panchayat. So here we covers this chapter. Hope you understand all the topics we took today. Okay, as always I am saying, if you like my lecture, you please subscribe my channel and stay tuned with my channel. Thank you.